This is a STEARsoft Cloud Server tutorial showing how to add students into your central student list. The administrator can do this, or a power teacher can do this. First of all, we need some data. Easiest is to copy and paste it straight out of something like Excel, another spreadsheet, but you can also drop in comma separated values as well. Now, first thing to prepare things, notice that we have got houses here, green, yellow, blue and red. Now on here our house names match that, but here form names A to F, I've not set up form names here, and it would be good to do that, so let's put A to F for these. I've got them as the example anyway, so I'm going to save that. So what we do, we're going to go to the central student list. This is as the administrator, central student list, and then I'm going to add students, import the data, and I'm just going to copy and paste it into here. So here's my data, so let's copy and paste. Let's take 30 down to row 30. Paste that in there. Next. So the first row I'm going to exclude because that's my headings. This is first name, surname, year group. Where's that? There it is at the bottom. I'm not going to include that. This is house. Keep scrolling across, exclude that one, and this is form. And then we need to go to the bottom and choose next. That looks pretty good, and it's matched on the houses and forms that I've got, so it's picking up that information and matching to the houses I have in the system already. So I'm going to create new records for all these students. Note, school index values are going to be automatically generated. So it's automatically made me some school IDs. If I wanted to put those in, if I had a unique value already, I could put those in. That's it. I put them in. But what I want to also show you is if I'm a power teacher. So if I exit this, when you're administrator you can exit, come back to here, and then you can go in as a teacher. Now I'm an administrator which has power teacher rights as well. So as a power teacher you would see this. You might have your classes as well. And as a power teacher you need to go to all school data and then settings up here. And then you have some power teacher options down here. And one of these is the central student list. So I can go to the central student list and I can add some new students. So it's very similar, it's pretty much the same actually once I'm here. So let's take rows 30 down to, that'll do. Copy those, put them in. Next. We'll exclude, oh no, we don't want to exclude the first row this time. The first row is part of the data, but we need that to be the first name, surname. This was year group, I believe. That was ignored. This was form, or was it house? House. And this was form at the end. Next, and it's matched up again. Next, create records, finish. So I've now got over 400 students in the system. Now these are just in the system available for teachers to use, and then because it will refer to them in the central location using the school ID, everything will match up for reports and like. So let's exit back to settings, back to home. If you are an administrator, once you're in here, to get out of here, there's this little cross up here, and then you can get back to the administrator area if you need to be back here. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for listening.